Introducing the 2006 Lexus RX 330. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.